Then we're going to show this. Go to this. Can't see my mouse. And then you have your server running?
Yeah, my server's running.
Why is it so bright there? We have to redo this one. Why is the top one just really low? What is it? I can't see that. I think we do have to do the a screen recording capture thing, because this is not turning out too well. Whatever case though, we show that I missed my first shot, which is good. I will show on here.
Shall I fire a shot?
Yeah, now you fire a shot.
Fired.
You missed your shot. And now I'm going to sync your... hit. Gonna sync it. And then
I kind of got like halfway through it and then I lost it.
Refresh. Now I'm prepared to hit you.
okay, yep. Oh, you already hit me, didn't you? Oh no, you didn't.
Oh, I missed you.
Did you hit me? Yeah, there you go.
Yep.
Now I gotta show the errors, so I'm gonna hit you the same spot twice. Just watch, it'll do it for me.
Yep.
Found. What's the last thing you need to show?
Let me see. Translation. Correctly formatted fire message, maybe showing Wireshark, and correctly formatted response message, maybe showing Wireshark. Processes fire message update on board. Process result to update opponent board. I think that's it. Unless you want to do simple Wireshark.
No.
Alright, in that case, if there's anything else we can do to show that we send, actually zoom in on that post. And that should be good. Actually, I'll just be sure.
Yeah, and you do some errors too.
Alright, I'll fire it in the same spot.
Got the error. Go again.
Alright.
Now, that was the out of bounds, or was that the
That
not
was
found?
out of bounds.
And then now it's all about you.
Yep, that's